Good afternoon. Today is Friday, August 9th, 2024. I am here at Port 32 Marina. This is Que Sera zinc install. Before I show you the zinc installs, real quick, I gotta show you, of the 5 zincs that you left out, I was only able to put on that max prop zinc. Your R3s for your rudder zincs, they look like they're the right size. However, you have these special bolts, and the R3s are not wide enough in that hole there for the bolts. So I went ahead, I took the bolt off of this starboard side rudder for you, to where you could go and check them out. It's probably going to be an R4. The R4 will still fit. I could not find anywhere where these would go. So these are going to, I'm going to put all these back up where they were, but let me show you the max prop where I put it.